This is the collapsible microwave cover by Anzers, and it measures 10.5 inches in diameter and expands to 3.5 inches in length and collapses down to 1 inch. This is very lightweight and also dishwasher safe as well. This helps from food splattering in the microwave and keeping your microwave more clean. This is made of food-grade silicone, and it has perforations throughout to allow the steam to come through. However, it helps by keeping your microwave clean from splatters. This is also heat resistant up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me put a plate in the microwave so you can see how it works. You can even use this as a colander. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.